Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Our today's topic is 1.2 Androclus and the Lion Workshop. So let's start. Question number 1A. Question number 1B. Question number 1C. Question number 2A. Question number 2B. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Now children, here we have finished our activities. Goodbye. See you soon.